Here I have DOOGEE S60, and today I'm going to show you how to enter factory mode on this device. So first of all, you'll have to turn it off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, what you'll have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time, like this. And after the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding volume down. And after that, you will enter factory mode. Here at the factory mode, unfortunately, it's all in Chinese language, so I can't explain you which options we have here. But I know for sure that you can navigate using volume down key, and you can select options using power key. So if you want to exit this mode, just select the last option. This is a reboot option, and after that your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.